Okay. Alright, here's the maple. This is the tree that Johnny planted like 20, 30 years ago. You can see how that branch has been trimmed right off. Of course, Tigger still can... Right, whatever. Of course, gee, that's not too annoying. Of course, Tigger is still good at jumping from the limb to the garage. Aren't you, Tigger? Aren't you, little boy? He's getting big, see him? Look at that tail. Look at the tail on that kitty cat. Oh, it's okay, Tigger. It's just another kitty. It's just another kitty. Oh, look, it's Troubles. Hi, Troubles. Or anyway, yeah, that was the that was the Norway maple. All right, then we got these are the pines, and you can see, I'll go slow. You can see how they were trimmed. See where all those branches were taken off, all the way up there, and all the way down. And then I'll move to this next. These are the 3 pines. All the way up. All the way down. And there's the bird feeder that Santiago made for his grandma. And I guess I'll walk back here. Look out, Tigger. Give you an idea of how it's all cleared out now for the house. There you go. Nothing hanging over the roof. There's our cars. Nice and safe. No crap hanging over the house. Gutters are nice and clean and safe. All right. Moving forwards. This here was, I think this was a spruce tree, Johnny? I don't know. There was 3 pines, the maple in back. There's a Norway. There's 3 pines of spruce. The one back there was a Norway maple. I'm assuming this is the spruce tree. Trimmed all the way up there. All those branches way, 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 way up. And then down to car level. And here's the, this is the mulberry tree. See you later, bye. And this is the maple tree. See you later, bye. I think that's the maple. These are maples, right, Johnny? Marcus? Are those maple trees? I don't know. And you can see now it's all nice and clear. No trees. This used to be covered with trees. There was trees everywhere, all over those lines. Those gutters, you couldn't even see them. Now it's all completely accessible, and I got the gutter helmet all cleaned up. Up top there's the helmet. You can see we got the gutter helmet all the way down. So if it rains, it'll work properly now. There's not loaded up with crap, which will prevent water getting into the basement, which will prevent water and damage and mildew buildup, which makes my life a whole heck of a lot easier. And that's about it. There's my 8,000 BTU. Bought it fresh for this summer, since it's like the jungles of Cambodia. here in Poughkeepsie, New York. It's no longer the summers we had when I grew up, and I guess we'll end with a little. There's Lady, there's Tigger. Lady's become like a mother to this cat. She takes him under her wing and shows him around and keeps an eye on him. It's a pretty beautiful thing. Either that or, I don't know. I think Tigger might beat her up when I'm not looking, but what do I know? Anyways, I think we covered everything. Here's the thing I got from Dale Marcus, the woodsman. Keep him hanging right there, right above the, or right below the bird feeder. And that's, and this limb went. I mean, if you look at the limb right next to it, it just goes up and up and up and up. And this one went just as high. It was a monster. And if it had come down, it would have definitely damaged the roof of the garage, so I'm glad we got rid of it. Anyways, that's it. Just had a couple of bacon wrapped filet mignons for dinner. I think it's almost time for a shave and shower. Then I'm going to watch me a little True Blood. See you later, bud.